Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening accessibility settings so Windows can generate captions for any audio. Once in Hearing, pick Live Captions and enable the toggle. This activates local, on-device transcription. Make sure your PC has recent updates and microphone permissions so transcription can run. If you prefer a shortcut, press Windows plus Control plus L to open Live Captions immediately, and you'll see a movable caption window. This gets captions working for system audio and most apps, so you can read what you hear in real time. Once Live Captions is open, configure the source. Choose system audio, microphone, or both, because that determines what audio is transcribed and why accuracy changes. Make sure to set your preferred language and adjust caption style, font size, text color, and background opacity for legibility. You can move or dock the caption window so it doesn't block controls. Resizing helps in small displays. If you're using a headset, confirm output and input devices in sound settings so the correct audio stream feeds the captions engine. To finish, confirm the default playback device and microphone access so captions capture the right stream, then test with a short video or call. If captions lag or stop, toggle Live Captions off and on or restart the feature via settings. This often fixes temporary glitches. Make sure Windows is updated and run the built-in audio troubleshooters if problems persist. If transcription still fails, check privacy settings for microphone access and restart your PC. That single troubleshooting step resolves most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.